Hey there, future maintenance masters. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to peel back the layers of the often overlooked but incredibly essential world of maintenance inspections. In the next few minutes, you'll learn not only what a maintenance inspection is, but also why it's critical for successful operations. We'll also share some best practices for an effective maintenance inspection program and break down 8 types of inspections you should be incorporating into your routine. So stick around if you're ready to optimize your maintenance and reliability teams. Let's dive right in. A maintenance inspection is a crucial part of any maintenance program where we evaluate the condition of equipment or machines. The goal is to figure out what tools, materials, and labor are necessary to keep them running smoothly. Maintenance inspections are vital because they help us catch minor issues before they morph into expensive repairs. They ensure our machines are working correctly and help prevent equipment downtime. Every plant or facility needs to conduct regular inspections as part of its overall maintenance program. This includes checking and servicing electrical systems, mechanical systems, and instrumentation components. In today's world, mobile devices with advanced technology can simplify the inspection process. Handheld tools can provide step-by-step instructions and an easy way to record sensory observations and test results. It's important to note that many inspections need to be conducted while a production line is running or equipment is operating. This means inspections can't interrupt manufacturing or production processes, and many machines can't be checked adequately without seeing them in action. So, what makes a good maintenance inspection program? Here are 5 important best practices. 1. Condition monitoring routes should cover all necessary inspections. 2. Simple inspection tools like a stroboscope, bright flashlight, infrared thermometer, vibration pen, mirrors, and industrial stethoscope should be readily available. 3. Guards or other protective gear should be removable to check belts, couplings, and chains in action. 4. Oil containers and other clear gauges and base bolts should be clean and facilitate accurate inspections. 5. Maintenance staff should be educated and trained in basic inspection processes. Now let's talk about the 8 types of maintenance inspections. First, we have safety inspections. These can include everything from checking and restocking first aid kits to inspecting fall protection and harness equipment. Next, we have failure finding inspections. These check the operation of backup or protective devices that can't be readily checked unless a primary system fails. Third, we have lighting inspections. Bulbs should be checked regularly and replaced in a group when they begin to fail for efficiency. Fourth, we have electrical inspections. These begin with simple battery replacement in smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, as well as flashlights and testing equipment. Fifth, we have HVAC inspections. Air intake, filters, motors, and ductwork should be inspected and cleaned regularly. Sixth, we have building interior inspections. These involve checking walls, ceilings, and floors for damage, leaks, or other deterioration. Seventh, we have building exterior inspections. These involve checking paint, walls, windows, and doors for damage regularly. And finally, we have plumbing inspections. This system should be checked at least once a year for leaks, noises, and damage. Let's walk through an example of a maintenance inspection. During the warmest months of the year, cooling systems must work overtime. Before the mercury rises, technicians conduct a thorough inspection of a facility's cooling system. They start by checking the bearings of the condenser motor for noise and vibrations. They also inspect the air intake and discharge components as well as the condition of insulation and refrigerant piping. Maintenance inspections should also include an inspection of compressed air lines to ensure there are no leaks in tubing or around fittings. Technicians should check and change or clean filters as needed. Inspections are often supplemented with maintenance checklists that are provided to technicians in paper form or within a computerized maintenance management system. If the latter option is used, work orders can be automatically triggered when a checklist item is marked as flagged or failed. And that brings us to the end of this video. We've covered the importance of maintenance inspections, the best practices for an effective maintenance inspection program, and the different types of inspections. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more insightful content. For more information, visit us at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.